It's Sunday morning and I'm out here watering the herb garden. We're getting some problems with some of our watermelon out here. This plant looks like it's doing really well. We've got a couple larger pieces of fruit on it. One's there, one's over by the fence. Maybe twice the size of that one. But still, we've got little fruits that rot like this one. And over in the agroforest, some of our biggest fruit split and started to rot. It's got some bugs in it. And online it's telling me that I'm probably overwatering. It's got some yellow leaves and it's hooked up to the drip line for the agroforest. So, you know, my biggest concern is just that the citrus trees get enough water. Right here. That one might survive, I'm not sure. But this one split. This is our biggest one right here. Got a big split in it. Little termites that we have here found a home in there. But you can see the leaves are looking pretty yellow on some of these plants. And yeah, so next time we plant some watermelon, we'll put them somewhere that's not on the drip line, that I can manage them more individually. Because the one, at least in the herb garden, seems to be doing a lot better than these. And yeah, we've just been finishing up trimming some of this brush from cutting that off the branches the other day. Just getting some firewood going. And all of our fruit trees seem to be doing okay. These are the papaya and fig, avocado trees. These are little berry plants. They had some berries on them, but the ants ate them. It's not quite the season for them yet, so it's all right. But that's what we're up to today. It's just tidying up, keeping everything watered.